Hi, I'm Michael. I am a B2B Sales Associate here at shop3d.ca. We've had a few people and institutions ask how they can print on the X1E without connecting it to the internet. So today, we'll show you two ways how to do that. The first method is if you're okay with connecting your printer to the network, but don't want it communicating with the internet. If that's the case, you can enable what's called LAN-only mode. To enable this, go to your printer and click on the hexagon on the left side. That will bring up the settings menu. Once there, you can enable LAN-only mode, hit yes, and then you'll want to write down the access code that's listed right beneath there. Once you have, you'll want to open Bambu Studio and go to Device. Once there, you'll want to add the printer and select it, input the access code, hit confirm, and your computer will be connected to the printer. One thing you want to make note of is if anyone with the access code can connect to the printer, it's any number of people and they can all control it. So once you're connected, you can just slice your file, hit print, and then send it to the printer and it will start printing right away. Now, if you don't want the printer connected to the network at all, you can always use the SD card that's included with the printer. It's on the right side here. It's a micro SD card, so you'll want to use an adapter for your computer. Plug that in. Now, once you have your sliced file, you'll want to click on the drop-down arrow and select Export Plate Sliced File. Click on that button to save it to the micro SD card. Once it's saved, we can eject it from our computer, put the SD card back in the printer, then select the folder icon on the left, select the micro SD card tab, give it a bit to load, select the file, and then hit print now. One last thing we'll show you today is that if you want to make sure that the printer is not connected to any networks at all whatsoever, it does also have physical kill switches. So to get to those, you'll want to take the AMS and the glass top off your printer. There is a plastic cover on this side of the printer here, on the left side if you're facing it. You'll want to remove that from the front. And then there are two physical switches here, one for Wi-Fi and one for Ethernet. If you have the switches set to the up position, it will cut off Ethernet or Wi-Fi, whichever you select, and the down position will keep them enabled. I hope that's taught you a thing or two, and now you can print on the X1E without connecting it to the internet.